Welcome to XIQ Note. With XIQ Note's revolutionary and state-of-the-art tools, you'll be able to consume, extract, annotate, and organize your text and materials like never before. Locate and open up the Note app. First, let's get to know the mobile dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see 3 sections. First, across the top of your screen, you'll see the last 5 IQBooks that you've listened to. In the next section, you'll see the last 5 tags that you've used to organize your highlights and notes. Lastly, in the third section, you'll see the cohort or module that you're enrolled in. The dashboard is laid out to intuitively help you find your text, return to what you've been recently listening to, and to help you easily find the notes you've captured and annotated. XIQ Note allows you to access your content, which we call IQBooks. Let's review how to find them in the mobile app. From the dashboard, look at the third section, titled Cohort and Module. Select View Folders. Now you'll see individual folders broken up by topic. For demonstrative purposes, I'll select International Politics. From here, users can see each section. For example, if I was a student and preparing for my first class of the semester, I'd select Class 1. Here, I can find all of the reading materials that I would need to prepare for the class. Now that all of these IQBooks are easy to find, it's time to learn how to highlight them. Within the Note mobile app, there are 3 ways to highlight your IQBooks. First, while listening to an IQbook, simply press and hold the highlighter button. This method will highlight the last 2 sentences you've listened to and save it to your flash tag. A flash tag is used when the user wants to make a quick highlight and not designate that highlight to a specific tag. You can also highlight by quickly tapping the highlighter button. This will prompt a small number 2 to appear, which signifies a highlight being applied to the sentence you're listening to, as well as the previous sentence. If you want to highlight 3 sentences, tap the button 2 times, and so on. Note will then take you to a screen where you can change the number of sentences you've highlighted, apply a tag to the highlight, as well as leave a personalized annotation using text or speech. Afterwards, hit Save to complete the tag and/or annotation that you've added. Then, our platform will intuitively pick up reading right where you left off. A third way of making a highlight is by using voice commands. While listening to your IQbook, hit the play button and give the voice command of, "Hey Note, highlight that." The Note platform will highlight the sentence you're listening to as well as the previous sentence and save that highlight to the flash tag. Having 3 ways to highlight makes it easy to not only access your IQbooks, but to interact with and capture information that you find valuable. Whether you're in a dedicated study space, at the office, or on your daily commute, the Note mobile application makes it easy for you to digest and organize the content you're listening to. Now, since you're capturing so much valuable information using highlights and notes, it's important to be able to find them later on. There are 2 ways to access the notes you've taken in the Note mobile app. First, open the dashboard. In the third section, select View Folders. Here you can see the different sections, the number of IQbooks in each section, and the number of notes made in each section. To demonstrate, I will select the Notes button under the Comparative Politics heading. Here, I can see every highlight and annotation that I've made under the Comparative Politics class section. Not only can I see the highlights, but also any notes that I've taken. Lastly, I can also see the source text. If you want to go to the source text, simply click on the note, and you'll be taken to the source text and page number where the highlight came from. This is the second way to access your notes. Open the Note mobile dashboard. If you want to see all of the highlights and notes you've made under the same tag, select the given tag. You'll be taken to a screen that shows all of the notes you've made under that specific tag. This is a great way to organize notes by topic, or assignment, or meeting, and is also great for research purposes. If you want to go to the source text, simply click on the note, and you'll be taken to the source text and page number where the highlight came from. The Note mobile app was created with personalization in mind. At XIQ, we understand that learning and professional development happens differently for everyone. Therefore, we want to make it easy for you to customize your experience. For example, it's easy to speed up and slow down your IQbooks. Select an IQbook to listen to and press play. Then, swipe right from the left side of the mobile device. If you want to speed up your IQbook, select the plus button. To slow it down, hit the minus button. When you're done adjusting the speed, swipe left on the screen to return to the player screen. Skipping pages is also easy. Press play on the IQbook of your choice. Then swipe left from the right side of your mobile device. If you want to go back a page, select the second button in the column with the arrow pointing to the left. If you want to skip ahead a page, select the third button in this column with the arrow pointing to the right. It's convenient to make these small changes to your IQBooks and makes learning from them even more efficient. The Note mobile application puts your IQBooks right into your pocket. The ability to listen to your content will forever change the way you prepare for classes, master subject areas, and develop professionally. We're excited to welcome you to the XIQ community. If you have any questions about Note, an IQbook, or any features, please reach out to us.